I will talk about how can you set up defaults on your Flybrowse app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you, it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on set default browse, you just click on it here. Then you click here on set as default here. So then here you click on Flybrowse, you click on set as default, then it's going to enable with you here. So that's all you have to do to set as default here on your app, on your Flybrowse app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it, that's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.